So today we're going to look at the numeracy strand, identifying factors. Now all factors they're numbers that go into another number. So our first example is to circle all the factors of 12. Now before we begin, we could write all our factors of 12 down here, and then it's easier for us to match them with the numbers up top. So first of all, we know 1 goes into 12. That's 1 times 12 is 12. The next number after 1 is 2. Does 2 go into 12? Yes, it does. So it's 2 times 6. The next number after 2 is 3. So it's 3 times 4 goes into 12. And after 3 is 4, which we've already got. Then 5. Does 5 go into 12? No. 6, we've already got 6. 7 doesn't go into it. 8 doesn't go into 12, and so on. So now we can just circle our factors up here. So we know 1 goes into it from here. 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. They're all the factors of 12. The next question, it says to write these numbers in the correct places in the Venn diagram. So the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So first of all, what a Venn diagram is that if any of these numbers is only a factor of 9, it will go in this circle. If any of the numbers is only a factor of 12, it will go in this circle. If any of the numbers is a factor of both 9 and 12, it will go into where the circles overlap. Now, if any of these numbers is neither a factor of 9 or a factor of 12, then they go outside the circle, but they have to stay within the box given. Okay, so to begin, much like we did in the first example, I think we should write down all the factors of 9. So we know 1 times 9 is 9. 2 doesn't go into 9. 3 does. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 doesn't. 5 doesn't. In fact, these are all the factors of 9. Now for the factors of 12, we can do 1 times 12. 2 times 6. 3 times 4. Now let's use these numbers at the top. So we have the number 1, and you can see the number 1 is a factor of 9, but it's also a factor of 12. So the number 1 would go in the middle. Now once you've marked it in, it's a good idea, I think, to cross it off so you don't use it again. The next number is 2. 2 is not a factor of 9, but it is a factor of 12. So it'll go in this circle where the factors of 12 are. And cross it off again. We have a factor, the number 3. Is the number 3 a factor of 9? Yes, it is. Is it a factor of 12? Yes, it is. So again, that will go in the middle here. The next number is 4. 4 is not a factor of 9, but 4 is a factor of 12. So it will go here. And the last number is 5. 5 is not a factor of 9, and 5 is not a factor of 12. So it can't go in any of these circles, but it has to go inside the box. You can't put it outside the box because that will be incorrect.